In this video, I'll show you how to embed a web app you build in Lovable into your WordPress website. First, go to lovable.dev and create your app. For this example, I built a simple crypto dashboard. Once it's ready, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. My site is already published, but if yours isn't yet, all you need to do is click the Publish button. You can either use a custom domain or the default Lovable subdomain. Choose your option, then click Publish. Within a few seconds, your app will be live at the link shown on screen. Copy this link. We'll need it for WordPress. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Pages, then select Add New Page. This opens the page editor where we'll embed the app. Click the plus icon to add a block, then search for custom HTML. Once the block is added, paste in a simple iframe code. The link for this code is in the video description, so you can simply copy it from there. Replace the placeholder link with the Lovable link you copied earlier. Click Preview to check. You should now see your crypto dashboard embedded directly on your WordPress page. If everything looks good, click Publish or Update to save. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Lovable crypto dashboard into a WordPress site using just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lovable and WordPress guides.